on laptop. I started recording. So to start, you need to go to your Airtable website and then create your account. How to create your account? You start by going to the website, and then when you come here, you need to start for. You can go with sign up for free. You see sign up for free here. You see it at the bottom here as well. It's all the same thing. Okay. So it's either you are going to click here or you click here. But if you want to speak with the orga of the Airtable or maybe their customer support, you can actually do what? Contact sales. But let us assume that we are not here for that. So we need to do what? Say sign up for what? For free. So when you click on that now, the next thing is to what? Is to come in here. On this page now, they are saying you should create your free account. Hell, Njideka Suzu, no vex, eh? Blow don't hold you for neck. Okay, so let me now add my picture. Of course, I mean to create an account on Airbnb is not difficult. Just open the site, click on sign up, select your Gmail account, and then here I want to enter my picture here. I'm using this my library that I built in Dubai before now. So I was okay. Use this photo. Of course, I have to submit it. Wait, oh, are they coming to verify my face? They demand. They don't see or someone below the face. They know they fear. Okay, they have accepted it now. I feel say they won't come see. She can't play me down. They won't come see my face. Okay. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. What's your question? Who they ask that question? Who could that thing? Who could that thing? My full name is Michael Akpojiyonwi Ogene Bedebede Richard. What is that one? We don't understand. Na name na. No, no, no be my name. So look at it now. I don't know what people want to. I mean, what do people want me to do here? This is your Airbnb, right? Do you have anything that you wish to, share here? If you want to put your home, you can actually start here by saying, okay, Airbnb your home. You can come here, and then, of course, you now need to start setting up your whatever. So you could earn this amount. Now, the first thing is for you to specify where you are where you are living, or maybe where your property is located. That one not hard now. You can actually come here. Of course, you can say, okay, your property is located where. You can come here and specify that. Say maybe Benin. I'm in Benin, by the way. So Benin City, Edo, select it, and then type of space. I'll say entire place, like I'm using the entire room or the entire building. Bedrooms, let's say maybe like six, and then you can update it. So as you update it now, it will be telling you how much you can actually make or what. Say 7 nights at an estimate 42, I mean $42 per night. So you're actually going to what end this in a week if your business or if you're located in a very, very good place. And so you can actually adjust it to whatever you want to do. Like maybe for 30 nights, see how much you're going to make in 30 nights. Okay, I think I know somebody here that actually rents their room, I mean their apartment for I think they say around 125K per night, but it's in a very high end area, sha. So that kind of stuff. People are even happy to pay for 10 days. People are paying for 1 month, and I'm like, wow, money you take buy like 100 bag of cement, take go build your own house. Now you take dey pay for one place. Anyway, so this is just it now. So when you now finish now, what is next now? You need to say, okay, Airbnb setup, right? You can go here. But the thing is that even when they hire you sef, nothing concern this setup now. Nothing concerning this setup. So say, okay, tell us about your setup, about your bed space, make it stand out, finish up and publish. So you can get started. Some of you that actually want to do your own here, I think that's what you are looking for. 'Cause some of you are too intelligent. You'll be asking the admin to do something that you want to do for yourself. So you can do it in your business, and then you now start cashing out. And then you not forget about the admin, you know. You now be like, hey, that time I learned this thing, no. Look at it. That's what some of you are doing here. So look at it now. So we say what? Your reservations. So this is my account now. And here now, you see I don't have any reservation here yet, right? So let me complete my listing. I can go to my listing. Your listing actually means what? That place that you say you have, you need to put it here. So you can actually start, say your listing started February 10th, which is today. You can click there and then you need to what? Say which of these best describe your place. You can say, is it an apartment? Is it a house? Is it a barn? Which one be barn? Why did they keep here? I been a cabin, I been a boat. What you like? What you want rent out? Na container, like I mean, are you trying to rent out your caravan? Are you want to rent out your farm? Of course, our own is what? Apartment. You can say yes, apartment. You can say next. So here now, of course, what type of place will guests have? You say the entire place. Yes, they will share. I mean, if you are trying to like rent out a room, of course, you say guests have their own room in a home plus access to shared spaces. So now what this one means is that what for instance, now some of us that are doing copper here or that are maybe that you copper, I mean that you copper as your student, you know that sometimes when you are schooling, you might collaborate with I mean some people and say, okay, let us go and rent that flat. Okay, maybe you are like three friends. You say, okay, let us go and rent that flat. So you rent the flat now. So everybody will have their own room. Okay. So when you now do that now, okay. So when you now rent the apartment now, maybe it has three rooms, okay? And I'm trying to explain what this thing here means. So you are three people in the room. This one has one bedroom, this one has one bedroom, this one has one bedroom. So they are all having their own toilet inside. So at a point now, someone now leaves the apartment. So maybe somebody now say, my dear, they have given me my London visa. I'm jackpine to UK tomorrow. So bye bye. So she will now move out. So that one room now became what? Now became vacant. Like nobody is there. And now when you now leave a room like that, it can't be like in our wall front. So it will be boring for some of you guys. So what happened is that we can actually come here and what and list that room here as a what? As you say what you say guests will have their own room in a home plus access to shared space. So this means that what you are going to rent that particular room where that person moved out. Okay, and then the person that will take the place now will have access to the kitchen. Of course, there's an ensuite toilet and all of that. So that's just what this place here means. But here now, this one here is an entire space, which means that you want to rent out that entire flat. Maybe if not two-bedroom flat, if not one-bedroom self-con, if not two-bedroom apartment, you want to rent out everything to the person that will be coming to or to take it. Then this one now is a shared room in in a hostel. So for instance, if you are in the girls' hostel, I know some of you are ladies here. So in the girls' hostel now, maybe you shared your room before with somebody, and maybe the person now say, my boyfriend don't get a room. I mean, you don't get apartment, so I want to go and pack and go and meet. You know that people actually do that a lot in the student hostel. They say, I'm not coming this week. Oh, and they go, I they go meet my boyfriend for town. So we don't go rent apartment off campus. So I want to go there and do Valentine. Okay. Yeah? So for that period, that when that person will not be there now, you now cannot do what you can now say, okay, the place has a nice bed space. The place has a good toilet and actually have a good kitchen as well. So someone can now come and do what and share that space with you in that room so that you'll not be lonely and bored. Some of you cannot sleep if someone does not cuddle you at night. So the person can even be cuddling you at night. Make sure, sha, make sure that it is a woman that you are going to carry and come inside. If not man, I go come go dey cuddle you for night. I pity you, your life will just bend. So that's just it. So I'm not following cause I can't see your screen. Jideka, Suzu, it's your network. Okay, sorry about that. So now we are renting out the entire space. So you say what? Entire space, and then you click on next. Okay. Don't mind me about my analogies. I like to talk and make sure that people understand what I'm saying. That's why I love to use a lot of analogy. So this one now allow you to what to put this your apartment now. Where is it located? You need to what? You need to enter the place here. Me, I will say okay, Santana Market. Santana. I'm using Santana because that one is a popular market, it's a popular landmark, Santana Market. It's in Benin City here. If you're coming from Warri to Lagos or Warri to whatever, you must pass through Santana Market. Once you're in, I think it should be before you get to Ring Road, you see Santana Market along the road. So this is Santana Market here. Yes, ma. Okay. So I just specify 16 Igbo area. Then I said that the place should show on what? It should show on Google Map or whatever the location is. So I will say next now. And it's not saying is the place right. I just want to say next because the place is correct. And then it says share some basic about your place. So you add more detail later, like bed type. So this is where you now need to tell it. how many guests are you willing to accept in a room? You can say, okay, like two guests. Bedrooms, of course, is, this one is a full apartment, so you can say yes, three bedrooms, right? Then how many beds? Of course, it should be three beds. Though sometimes, we can actually have double bed. Like I was in a hotel one time and the bed was two. They say they have the lady bed and then the guy bed. So in case you and your friend, maybe you and your bestie, maybe you are Cynthia and then your bestie is Richard, and then you guys now go out and then you guys want to go and sleep somewhere. You guys are not romantically, involved. So you want to, sleep on a separate bed to avoid stories that touch the anus, right? So I can just put six here. Maybe they are all having double beds. So bedroom, okay. Now the bathroom is what? Of course, it's about three bedrooms. You cannot say what? Cannot say next. So he say make your place stand out. Yes. Say in this step you add some of the amenities in your place, offers plus five or more photos. Then you create a title and description. Hey, hey, hey. This want to mess me around now. Okay, no problem. So let us say next now. So they say we are going to enter things. And so now they're not asking you when people now come into your house, what are the things that they're going to enjoy when they come into this your apartment? Do you have Wi-Fi? You say yes, there's a Wi-Fi. Do you have TV? You say there's TV. Is there a kitchen in there? You say yes, there's kitchen. Can they see where to park their car? You say yes. If it's free one or paid one, you need to specify it here. Now, do they have also a washing machine? You say there's a washing machine. The apartment, does it have a conditioning? You say yes. Okay. Do you have any standard amenities? Like for instance, do you have a swimming pool for this apartment? Like in this vicinity, do they have swimming pool? You say yes. Okay. Can I be able to do my grill? Like, do you have BBQ, like barbecue grill? You say yes, there's one. Can they play snooker, which is pool table? You say yes. Okay, what again? Hmm. Do they have access to beach? No, we don't need that. We don't allow beach here. We dey forbid beach. Then they say bathtub. This bathtub, if you are going there with your bestie, don't even go near this place except they will have to go first and then if you say me una to come go there go bath, no try am o, no gree o, no matter what they preach. Tell them no, na scam, they wan scam you so. No just try am, no just try am. Gini Kachi, your hand is up ma, what do you have to say ma? The mic is open, you can speak. And being as detailed as possible so that nobody is not, I mean just that if you can create a Facebook account, why can't you do this? It's not hard now. So you're just trying to like specify what the customer will enjoy when they come in. So you say yes. You have out. Okay, now look at it. Now you say, can they bait outside? Yes, they can bait outside. Yes, I like this one very well. So I can be able to watch nice film. So now smoke alarm. Of course, if they have smoke alarm, you can actually specify that. Then do they have gym exercise? Be gym equipment? You did the place. Specify it if it is there. And then these are things that are going to what make sure that people are going to enjoy your place when they come in. But if you don't have it, no, just specify only your kitchen, TV, and Wi-Fi, and then your washing machine, and you are good. And then if you have swimming pool, you cannot say next. Then here now, you say add some photos of your apartment. So I'll come here now. I need to add some photos of my apartment. I'll come here. Where do I have photos? Who dash me photo? Me that don't like photos. So I'll come here and specify my photos. So let me see now. This is my apartment here. This is my apartment. You say four photos. Uh-huh. You say they want photos. Now give them photos. So this is one of them. This is one of them. I will now say, okay, upload. So this is how to do it. So I'll upload this one now. This one not going to go. Why not going to go now? Out of photo. Okay. Into space. I need to change this one. Okay, not reach. No problem. Let me delete it now and add it back again. Select something else. I'll select. Let me select this one. So this is just so now you have to specify those your swimming pool, all those your kitchen, all those your washing machine. You need to snap them and put here, or snap the apartment and put, and then we are now done. You can now say okay, save and what exit, and I think let's see go and complete our listing because we are not done. Please, the class has finished. If you know you don't want to stay for that long, you can actually go and continue. You can come back here tomorrow. So you say finish blah blah blah. I can still go back here and continue what I was doing now. So I finish this one now. It's finished now. Share they say four pictures. Only I've added four now. Waiting comes up. Let me add one more. Maybe they want me to add one more. Maybe they like the place somehow. So I'll upload this one. And then let's now see if it will, okay, I think it now came up. Yeah. So I can now say, okay, next. So you see now let's give your apartment a title. So I will say what? Otanwa what? Otanwa Hive. Otanwa Hive. Okay. And I will do what? Now this one is what you can actually name your own place. If you know, maybe you can actually name it your business or whatever. No, I'm just using what I like. I can say next. And then here now you say next. Let's describe your apartment. So you can say unique, family friendly, peaceful, and then spacious. You know, people are going to be looking for all these things here. So you say choose up to two highlights. So you can say family friendly, and I think people are going to prefer spacious. Nobody wants to come to the because it's peaceful. Of course, it has to be peaceful. So that one is the normal, stuff. So you can say family friendly and spacious because people are looking for a spacious place to what to live in with your family. So create your description. I can say okay. I can actually come here and then you. Hey, I didn't want to remove it though. And I'll do what I can say next now. This one is just your small description. Then you say next. So here now you can say, okay, book your booking setting. You can now book your booking setting here. You can use instant book. You can use approve your first 5 bookings recommended. Yes, you can use this one. This one means that what that you have to. I mean, you have to approve it first before you can book it, and then you cannot say next. This is not hard, guys. So choose who to welcome to your first reservation. Any Airbnb guest. So anybody that is coming now, you have to welcome them by yourself. So you say next. And then here now they say, okay, now set a weekly base price. So guess you say tip $34. You will set a weekly price next. So guess price before taxes, blah blah blah. So you want to specify how much you're going to what, how much you're going to charge. So I can say, okay, I want to charge $250, right? Of course, my place is good. Now, don't they see that there's, I can say, okay, $304. Let me just say 250. I like 250 well, well. Oh. I can say, okay, next. So at this point now, I cannot say yes. Say set a weekend price is what 270 because you specified 250, so they will now add what 8%. Then next, and then we are good. Is it hard? It's not hard now. You say add discount, blah blah blah. All these ones are all okay. I don't want to waste any much time. So say next here to finish up. So say safety details. How are you hosting Airbnb? I'm hosting a private individual. I'm hosting as a business. Yes, of course. If it's a business, you can click on this one. Does your place have any of this? A stereo security camera present? You can say yes. So if you have CCTV now, you need to specify it there. You can put something here, blah 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 blah, and say okay. Then noise decibel monitor present. Yes, this one is if you want to monitor the noise in the environment, you can actually specify it here. And then weapons on the property, if you have any, maybe like guns or whatever, you can specify that there. And then you can now finish up. Yay, our property is what? It's been listed. So when they now come to be searching now, they'll be seeing this face here. I'll say finish up. Is it hard? You people that are all influencers on Facebook, you are coming here to come and do as if it is difficult. It's not difficult now. So when you now start booking, you'll be seeing their messages here. When you check your calendar now, you'll be seeing when they booked. I mean, you will see when your apartment is actually booked here. You'll be seeing it here now. Can't you see? It's so simple now. It's not difficult, eh? Then your listing, you'll be seeing your listing here. Of course, you have listed this one now. You say it's your town one hive. If you now have another one now, you see come here and do what? And add another one here. If you now have maybe your town one village, you can come here and add it here. You can say yes, maybe your town one whatever. And you did the same thing all over again. That is it. It's nothing it's not. I don't know why people are thinking that it's difficult. It's not difficult. Even if they are going to hire you, they will still need to what maybe to manage or to even still add listing. Someone that hired today can say, okay, come and help us to we now have a new apartment. Help us to list it on Airbnb, and you are good. Now they want you to verify. They say verify identity required to publish. Yeah, 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 yeah. What do you call sign me on now? So they want to be sure that I actually am a living person, so that in case anybody go there and do bad, they can come and catch me. But me, I jump and pass.